You gotta love the power of NG. We are back with another session at the Peppermill Casino in Reno, Nevada. And we're gonna hop into hopefully a fun blackjack session. Usually he buys them with 20,000, but again, I don't watch these in the foreground. This was, I think, done about a day or two ago. So let's hop into it. You guys go over to NG's channel, give him a like, give him a subscribe. Let's hop into it. Love you. Let's have some fun.
Here we go, guys. Getting my 25,000 marker, and here we go. We are at Peppermill Casino.
$25,000 marker.
All right. Left and right. $500 chips and $1,000 chips.
5,000?
No, 1,000. I mean, half and half. You can give me 13,000 with purple and 12,000 with.
You are a TikToker, right?
Yeah, you took
Can I
it.
get a
Yeah, sure.
picture
Let's go.
here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Alright, guys. Big shout out to Peppermill in Reno for giving me permission to record my blackjack session. Anybody needs, just let me know, guys.
I gotta say, Peppermill has got the best
I will
tables.
just,
You know,
help you to
after
get
watching,
permission also to record your
there's
blackjack.
Lady Luck, there's Lucky Lee, there's the Slot Lady, there's Hand Pay. There's so many, right? All casino action. You know,
Perfect.
looking at all the different ones, Hard Rock Cafe.
Check.
Let me lower this that owner if it's a little too
By
loud.
the dealer name is, how you spell your name? N-G Naga? How? Huh? Na? Na. Okay. Okay.
What did
I'm
he
N-G,
say?
so it's like kind of
That was kind of close.
N-G-A. Na. They say it na. Okay.
Nah.
Alright.
But these tables are by far my favorite. And I do like the yellow. So we got a $25,000
Alright.
buy-in
so-
chip. We got $25,000 credit. Starting off with what? $500 a hand, 2 hands. Let's go. Trying to be a little more dialed in.
That's 5,000.
Nice. Big one.
Alright.
There we go.
Beautiful stuff.
Man, I've been seeing a lot more first-hand wins. Usually it's the
Hope everyone
opposite.
has a wonderful day. And you're
Oh,
safe and well.
guys, let's not
Just
forget.
gonna just sign for the marker that I got.
And let's do a
25,000.
yellow, because that's what yellow is all about.
Yeah.
Someone lower.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Has the credit been done? I mean, is it in the system? Nothing's been done on that.
All right.
I thought the yellow would be more yellowy.
All right.
All right, back to even. Got 13, 14.
That's not good.
Ooh, interesting. Let's look at it. 8, 10, 12.
Picture. All right. There you go.
I might have doubled that 8
So $1,000
against
and a
that
half?
2.
1,000 each. Hand.
Got a 12 and a 20.
Oh shoot! He has a blackjack.
Ugh.
That's not cool. Let's say 3 hand 500. Yep.
Nice switch up. We got 3 hands going on now. And we got a 13.
All right. 19, 19, 20. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Let's do $1,000 each.
There we go. I like this press. I really do.
We need some splits, doubles. Would be nice. One more. 7, 8, 9 would be cool. Okay. We lost one hand and we won 2 hands, so we are up $1,000 on this hand. Guys, make sure to hit that like button for support, and if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG.
Definitely go over to NG.
NG.
Come on, let's go. 10, 10, 10. Alright. Got some work to do.
Can I have a 4? 19.
19.
4 or 5, 3. Again, we need 7, 8, 9 for dealer. Not here. Picture. Okay. Again, we just lost 1 hand and 1, 2.
Make sure that the bid we put on here.
All right.
So we got 18 against the 17.
And big
both
thank you to
18s. Alright, we
Peppermill
got
guys for
3 hands,
making the music
$1,000.
lower, that I don't have a copyright issue. I really appreciate that.
That
They're
is
very
nice.
friendly.
7. Alright. Not too much work.
That's a 16. 1 word. Oops.
Man, what are the dealers? They're
Very
eight,
nice.
they're flip
They're
action
10 row, guys.
on the whole card.
We are losing 1 hand and we are winning 2 hands. Just bus, please. 2 pictures and
Just
that's
bus,
it. Make
please.
it easy.
9, 19.
Let's try 1 hand. Thank you. Just a second. Sure. Thank you. Blackjack. Uh-oh. Cheers, guys. So we are down 2,000. Let's try 200 and 2,000. How is everybody doing today, guys?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Nice.
Beautiful hand. Let's do 1,500.
There we go. I like the press. Get something out of it. Get a 7 and a blackjack.
nice.
Great.
You don't
Great.
have a surrender,
Great.
right? You don't have a surrender?
7, 17.
That's a 2,250.
Perfect. Freaking 5s and a 50-cent piece. You know, why they gotta be cheap like that? If you're gonna give me like a 50-cent piece, just give me $1. Give me a $1. Give me a $5.
nice.
Like, are we really gonna go there?
Yep. That's a nice hand.
You're taking all my money anyway. Perfect.
Let's go. $59 hands.
11.
All right. I'm gonna double down, guys.
Nice.
Let's
Let's
do
go.
face down, please. Down. 6.
You think they can't
Okay.
hear 18?
Picture? Oh my gosh.
17.
Hopefully we have a nice card. I need a nice card there, guys. Oh my god. That
So
sucks.
16.
That 15 was perfect. I thought he's gonna bust. Small card.
Action?
All right.
We got some action.
Yep. All right. I'm just a second.
We got some beautiful action here.
So I'm gonna split my 8s. $1,500 each. Yep.
Nice.
Stay. Stay.
Nice. 14, 4, 15, 16.
Very nice.
Too many. Nice. Man, I can't believe I've been like on it. That was pretty
Check out the
good.
full session on my NG side.
6, 6. Man, I did good.
Perfect. Let's keep it up.
I'm getting better. I'm really getting better. Just keeping. It helps to make faster
Maybe the
decisions. Don't feel less pressed for time,
Should
which
I go
they're
crazy,
cool.
guys?
What's up with you guys giving NG
All right, can I get a change for this one?
for tips?
I'm gonna do both double down, guys. 1,500, 1,500. Double for the dealer.
And look at
Let's
he
do
even
both
doubles
face
for
down.
the dealer. You guys got to stop giving them poop.
Now. Yep. Face down. I need this hand. That's a 6,000 total bet.
Let's go. Come on. 5,
Come on,
15,
picture.
Yeah.
Nice. That's a $12,000 swing, guys.
That's great.
3,000, 3,000. So we just don't want 3,000 there and 3,000 there. 6,000.
That's
Check
great.
out the full session on my NG Style YouTube channel, guys. Wow. Guys, let's get a 10,000 likes for this crazy high limit action. All right.
Dude, and the
Oh,
dealer
that's
got
nice,
what?
by the way.
200 bucks?
19.
That's pretty good.
$200 for the dealer.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
It's a good hand.
Sometimes people say NG don't tip, so that's a tip, guys, for the dealer. Every time when I put.
I know.
Let's go. I'm not gonna double against the two guys. That's not a cool card. Perfect. 16. No freaking way. 21. Anything except 21 would be nice. Okay, let's do two hands. I told you it's not a good card. I don't like these twos.
I don't either. Can't blame them. They suck.
Perfect. Is
12?
1, 8 or 9?
17.
So we have 17 there.
Guys, it is a sandstorm here in Texas. I don't know what's going on.
Hell yeah.
I think there's like some
do
African
$2,000
spice allergy dust mite problem going on, man, because it
Small
is
one.
so bad out.
All
Now
right.
it's super windy, so I am so sorry. I know you guys hate me.
So we got
sniffing
the pocket
snarf
this. I'm
on
gonna
it.
double split
That
$2,000.
nasal spray, it's like,
Can I have
it's
a 4 or
harsh.
5? Would be nice.
Hate it. 8. 18, I would double that. 6, let's split that stuff again. 9, double. Okay, 18.
Stay.
Okay,
stay.
I would have doubled
Boss,
those
please.
two. Let's see what happens.
Picture.
3,
Picture. Oh my
17.
goodness.
No way.
Actually, we lost 2 hand, and I won 2 hand. So just break even. Would be nice if you bust. That would be 8,000 win.
If he would have,
Now we
if
are
he
breaking.
would have doubled those two, 6, 7, 8
Anyway,
against
the good thing we
3,
didn't lose. Check out the full
he'd be
session
up
on my
2.
NG Style.
But you know, again, what the book is what
That
they
would
say.
be
What,
nice.
you know.
Perfect.
21, nice. Always hit those 16s, guys. Always hit those
Nice.
16s.
Another 4,000 win.
Or is
Once
15,
again,
I
welcome
know.
my powerful,
Yeah, it was
wonderful
15.
subscribers.
I'm thinking it's 6.
Please make sure to leave a comment about this blackjack session.
Some people
and
hit-
just hit that
some
like
people stay
button
at
for
15.
support. I really will be appreciated. Let's do $1,000 hand. Bust. 20. Let's do $500 hand. Try 3 hand. 1,000 each.
A little bit of work. 15. 15. 16.
It's a 16. Perfect. All right. We just won $1,000. We are almost done with this, you guys. Maybe let's a few more hands. Seven, 8, or in the worst case 9. Okay, I will take it. We just won $500 this hand.
Sounds busy.
Like one or more hands and we are done. Face. Perfect. 6-7 would be nice. Perfect.
Nice.
All right. I will take it. We just lost 1,000. Let's do 3 hands, 1,500 each. Ace on the face. Ace. Ace.
15,
Ace.
10, 20. Nice.
All right, perfect.
Hey, that was great. That was great. Oh, and then dealer got some money.
My friends, let's get the 20,000 likes. It's not gonna cost you anything, but you will support me to be trending on YouTube.
That was a good hand. I got one more hand left.
Let's do $1,000 hand.
I think he's about even.
And if you see the shoe it shows there, it's almost full. That's why I said we are almost done.
9, 10, 11.
PJ.
Of course, we got some action.
You-
Nice. Great last hand. Great last hand.
All right, so 3 hand, and I'm gonna just double down. Let's do face up. Lady in the red. Let's go.
These guys, dude.
Okay.
These
Face up,
guys.
but he didn't listen. It's okay. Just bust, buddy.
8.
Small one. 17. Lady in the red.
Nice.
All right, I will
That'll
take
work.
it.
What a
It's a
turd.
19. This was crazy shoe, guys. Super awesome.
Yeah. A little bit of ups and downs, but.
on my NG Slide YouTube channel. Wow.
All right, let's do a count out.
All
Let's see
right,
what we
are done
got.
with the shoe number 1. So let's see how much we won on this shoe, guys. All right, so we have here 20,000, 25,000.
Oh, he's up quite a bit.
That's a $20,000 and $23,000. So we are up $23,000, guys, for this shoe. This was super amazing, and we'll see you tomorrow during shoe number 2, guys. Take care and have a fantastic day, everyone. And once again, big shout out to Peppermill Casino for giving me permission to record.
That
my
is
black-
so cool. Go over to NG channel, guys. That's pretty funny. Holy crap, 20 grand in 17 minutes. That was a great shoe. And I liked what he did. We talked about this yesterday when we were doing, I think her name was the slot lady. She was playing consistent. I think she got out of there pretty much even. I think she was up maybe 20, 30 bucks. Played consistent, but when things need to be pressed, things need to be pressed. And I think NG did a great job like that today. He definitely pressed when he needed to press, doubled when he needed to double. And yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, we got one more. So, I haven't seen Cody or Dana play live in a long time. We're talking like maybe a few months, maybe 2 months. But I do want to go back. There's one where Cody and Dana, where literally he had to tell Cody to like stop gambling. But I want to watch that one because I haven't done that one yet, and I'll have that one in the afternoon. All right, guys. With that being said, I'll start Peppermill. I love you, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. See ya.